So we are here at room 318. We're gonna tap. And here we are. Sorry, camera, I'll focus when I first came in. So, back of the door. And first when we walk in, you see these hooks. They took all of our luggage up for us. They didn't just take like just the suitcases. They took the kids' activity bags, the camera bags, our food bags. They brought all of it up. So first thing here is our mirror. Hi! I am a hot mess after traveling today. But the mirror, and like I said, the hook's right here. So cute. And we walk into the bathroom. Let's see, where is the light? There's the light on the wall. Beautiful mirror with a little vanity to get ready. Our towels, washcloths. Is that a hairdryer? That is a hairdryer. That's awesome. Little cubby right here. Swing behind. There's hooks on the doors. We have shower curtain, the outward ones like I love that Disney has. Ooh, they have their own brand of products. Shower right here. Oh, it's a rain head shower. That's awesome. So it is open right here, but check this out. The toilet is separate, which for us, that's a huge deal because we can be getting ready while one person's still using the bathroom. Okay, we walk out of the bathroom, and the first thing you see is the bunk bed because we are in the Junior DreamMore Resore suite. There's one here. There's a pretty decent gap right here. And then I'm gonna climb up. Oh yeah, check these handholds out. That is awesome. Here is the top bunk. And then we swing over and you've got the queen size bed, the headboard, the Dream lampshades. There's the menu for the dining, remote, channel guide. Check this out. That's awesome. We got our drawer right here. Little shelf under it. Love the bed, and I love that it has the butterflies on it, which is Dolly's theme. Got another lamp over here with the end table. Ooh, I love the curtains. And speaking of the curtains over the window, we have a street view, but I love it because we can see the mountains. And I love that we're gonna be able to see the mountains first thing in the morning. There's our TV. There's actually two TVs. There's one just over here for the bunk beds, and then there's another one over here. And it has like a TV guide for it. I took one battery out, had to change the battery a minute ago. Our information, the key card. Ooh, there's our safe. We have an in-room safe with our drawer storage. Love those. Love these handles too. And more shelf and drawer storage. I'm not gonna pull that other one out. Food caddy right here. The girls also like to, whenever we're swimming a lot, they'll hang their towels on it. Another DreamMore lamp right here. Our phone. Check out this chair, y'all. There's a trash can. Instructions on how to use the coffee maker with, oh, there's tea. They have tea, sugar packets. They also have dark roast, decaf tea, oh yeah, and coffee cups. And directions again on how to use that. Then they've got the decor here with another plug right there. That is so awesome. And there's our lamp. And then this is supposed to pull out to a full-size bed. Check out the butterfly artwork on the wall. And this we'll talk about later. Shh. Or in another video. There's the extra bedding for Madeline. Our hangers to hang our clothes on. Plenty of storage space in here, like the suitcases, laundry service information. And when I was checking in, there's another huge mirror right here, which is awesome. The hand towel. Ooh, its own vanity light. That'll make getting ready in the morning easier. Ice bucket, sink with our cups. When I was checking in, it said that refrigerators weren't in all the rooms. We got a refrigerator, so I've already stocked it. Some ice cream that Sarah picked up for her birthday, drinks for Matt and me, and an orange juice for the girls for in the morning. And then when I find the girls' juice for tonight, I'll also put that in there. And then more cabinet space right there. So this is our room. Again, we are in room 318. This is the Junior DreamMore Resort Suite. Thank you for joining us for this room tour, and we will see you in our next adventure vlog of our trip to DreamMore.